Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another card making video. Today I have a super sweet, pun intended, Valentine's Day card for you. This is my Hugs and Kisses Valentine's Day card. Isn't that so cute? I use metallic cardstock. You can see that shimmer right there for the chocolate kiss. You can certainly use any kind of material that you would like. There is a spot there on the inside for your message, and of course it includes an envelope. The best part about this card is that you can use it on any of the Cricut cutting machines. If you're going to be using a Cricut Joy, make sure to use a pre-made envelope and card blank. This is super simple to put together and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the free SVG Cut File. Here we are at my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. Now in order to get to the free files, you will need to make an account on the website. If you have not made an account, you can go ahead and click the sign up button. You'll be brought to a page with all of the information about our membership tiers. You can go ahead and pick which option is best for you. We have free, monthly, or annual subscriptions. But for now, I'm going to go to the sign in tab. I'll go ahead and type in my information and hit login. And now that we're all logged in, we can head to the Files tab and head to the File Library. And then we're brought to all the free files. For this project, you're going to want to look for number 160. That's the Hugs and Kisses layered card. Go ahead and click the download button, download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we're ready to open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. We're in a new project in Cricut Design Space. We can go ahead and upload image, and browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click open and upload. Highlight the image and click add to canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines in any text. Now that the file has been brought into our canvas, we can go ahead and ungroup the design. We have a few conversions that we need to do, so let's first start with the envelope. Highlight the score line, come up to the operation menu and change that to score. Highlight the group and attach. We need to do the same thing for the card base. Highlight the score line, change that to score, highlight the group, and attach. Next, we need to convert the Kisses text to draw because we want the machine to draw that onto our card. So find that text, come up to the operation menu and change that to pen. And then you're going to highlight the group and attach. I'm going to zoom in here on the chocolate candy. You'll see that I have some draw lines here on this candy piece. That's to resemble the folded up foil that we know and love when it comes to this particular piece of candy. If you're using regular cardstock, you can certainly use these lines to add a little bit of dimension. I'm going to be using metallic cardstock for this card. So I'm actually going to just delete those out of the way. You certainly do not have to use these if you don't want. You can just delete them by just hitting delete on your keyboard. Okay. Now that that is all done, we can go ahead and click Make It. I'll be using the mat for this project. And you'll see the different mats here. Go ahead and click Continue. I'll be using medium cardstock as well as mirror cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything all cut out and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, now that everything has been cut out, it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So the first thing that we're going to do is mat and layer our messaging panel and our front cover panel. So I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video just a little bit to get that done. Okay, so we have the messaging panel and the front cover panel all layered together. Now I'm going to go ahead and attach the ampersand. Now I kind of like it at an angle. That's just my preference. You can place it however you wish. There we go. Now let's take our chocolate candy kiss. I'm going to go ahead and layer the two pieces together. And then I'll just add that to the front cover panel. Right here in the bottom right hand corner. And there is our fun little front cover panel. That metallic cardstock is so fun. Let's set that to the side for just a second. Go ahead and take our card base and fold and burnish along the score line. We can go ahead and add our messaging panel to the inside of the card. Go ahead and close the card up and add our front cover panel. And there is our Hugs and Kisses card. Right here on the tail for the chocolate kiss, this would be fun to kind of add, like maybe your names, you and your spouse's names, or you and your significant other's names, similar to how the chocolate candy company has their name on the little tail. That would be fun. Go ahead and set that to the side. I'm going to get my tray out of the way, and I'll show you how to make the envelope. For the envelope, we're just going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Go ahead and take our inlay panel. You can add glue along the outer edge of the envelope flap or along the inlay panel if you wish. Place the inlay panel over that cutout on the envelope. And press. Spin the envelope around and fold those side flaps in. Add glue along the bottom of those side flaps. And then with your thumbs, go ahead and push up on the bottom flap and press to form our envelope. And there we go. Isn't this adorable? I love the different textures of it. It's a fun card to do. And really quick, so you can make a whole bunch of these if you need to. If you make this card, make sure to post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making friends who love to inspire and motivate each other. We would love to see your creations. There's a link down below for you to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife. I'll see you at the next card making video. Bye.